Okay, everybody, welcome back, and we're gonna start this video from under the car in the rear end area. As you can see up under here, this is a lot of bare metal because this car received a full tub recently, and I'm gonna basically put a rust preventative and an undercoat down here. So I had to pull the rear end out, disassemble, paint that as well, and I'm gonna handle all this, reassemble the rear end, and put it all back together nice and neat. So give me just a few minutes and we will knock this right out. Thanks. All right, pretty much closed this project out. Got everything undercoated. Rear end housing reassembled, back installed in the car. Fuel systems reinstalled. Everything came out pretty good under here. And we also did the trunk. Coated everything, gas tanks back in, fuel return line up there, battery box, and wrap this up. See you guys in the next one.